Some cars are fast, some are rare, but this one is on a different level. This is the Bugatti La Voiture Noire, the most expensive new car in the world. One car, one owner, one legend. They call it the Black Car, a modern tribute to Bugatti's old masterpiece, the Type 57 Atlantic. It's dark, it's sleek, and it's built to turn heads everywhere it goes. Underneath it hides a monster, an 8-litre W16 engine with 1,500 horsepower. It can hit 100 kilometers an hour in just 2.4 seconds. That's not driving, that's flying on wheels. But this car isn't just about speed, it's about art. Every curve is carved from carbon fiber. Every detail is built by hand. Step inside and it feels less like a car, more like a private jet. And the price? $18 million. Not for a collection of them. For this one, La Voiture Noire isn't just a car, it's a statement. It's proof that sometimes dreams can be built with 4 wheels. If you love exploring the world of luxury, make sure to like, subscribe, and join me for more.